Yeah, hi guys. So I just want to show you my bargain bead box for November. I'm a bit late putting this up, but doesn't matter. I got this a while ago. So it's a subscription box you get from America. All up, including shipping, it's 56 Australian dollars, and you get like about 85 US dollars worth of stuff, so it's well worth the price. So this one is called Bows and Berries, and it just lists everything there for you. So let's get into it. So these are crystal faceted barrel beads. So that's how they look like. Oh, very pretty. Crystal faceted barrel beads. These ones, 6mm matte glass round beads. Nice. So you can use these in your journaling projects to make dangles with, if you don't want to make jewelry. It's very easy. If you want to watch me make anything with these, just put something in the description. It's very easy. You just need your basic tools, cutters, pliers, round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, cutters, and just whatever you want to string it up with. Oh, tree agate matte round beads. Looks like a 6mm. Oh, that's pretty. If you like real gemstones, you'll like this subscription box. Yeah. Okay, so this is the pendant. I wish they had bigger pendants. Moss agate kite pendant. Yeah, I wish. That's my only complaint I have from them, is their pendants are too much on the small side for me. I wish they were more the 50mm mark. But that's very cute. That'll look real pretty as a dangle. I actually did use one of theirs as a dangle recently on my last video, my boho journal. See, I used this gorgeous carved leaf pendant. There we go. So yeah, that's just ready to put on a bulb pin and hang off your journal. It's a beautiful moss agate, yeah, kite pendant. So, but yeah, it's definitely, it's a lovely surprise to get in the mail, you know. It's nice. Then you get these. These are really cute little rhinestones, especially for Christmas. I was thinking of making you something, Alana, because I know you like reds and there's lots of reds in here. Maybe I'll make you, what do you like? Do you like necklaces or bracelets? 6 pieces of 10mm rhinestone round beads, garnet red. I like how they're little sparkly. See how they sparkle like that? Yeah, cute. I can't. Oh. I was going to say I can't wait to see what we get. I've seen the December one. It's pretty, but again, the pendant. It's only a 2cm long pendant. A bit disappointing. But anyway. But yeah, it's a lovely collection, but purples, crystals and stuff. Oh, that is nice. Wow. Moss agate rounds, 8mm, and you get 15 inches, which is fantastic. See all those nice colours through there. Sarah, sweetie, if you're watching, oh, you're in Canada. I don't know if you get free shipping in Canada, but yeah, like you'll probably end up paying about 45 Canadian dollars all up, maybe, including shipping. So it's pretty good value. What's this one? Green tiger's eye, 8mm. Oh wow, beautiful. Can't really see that tiger eye. I don't know. I think I need to get my glasses. I'm not seeing tiger eye. I don't know. But it's very pretty. And they also give you findings and silver charms and wow, like there's so much. It's honestly, oh my god, how cute are these? How little and cute. Like to facet something like this. 4mm red jasper faceted round beads. Oh, these are real stones. Gorgeous. I know me and Sarah love our stones, so we can definitely use these in our journals. Hi Sarah, if you're watching. I wish I had your knowledge on crystals and stuff. Ah, what's this? Moonstone, 10mm moonstone. It's glass man-made, frosted round beads, but still very pretty. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that shine. Very nice. Stainless steel evergreen pendant. Oh, evergreen. What's it called? Evergreen pendant. Unless I swapped them out. But that is really pretty. Very nice. You can maybe put the kite pendant on top. I was thinking. See? Like that. That'll look nice. Oh, wow. Oh, there's another one too. This is Moss agate donut pendant. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That is beautiful. I don't know if you're seeing all the different colours through there. That is really awesome. There's some transparency there. Darker in some other spots. That would have looked really nice on my boho journal. Hey. Well, whoever buys this, if you do buy it, I'll add this to it. I'll add both of them to them actually, because I don't see myself using them. I've been real lazy lately. I don't know. I just don't feel like making anything for some reason. It's very hot today. Maybe that's why. Oh, what did you fall out of? Oh, this one. So you get how many pieces? 4 pieces of these mistletoe branches. How cute are they? So, oh, they open that way and that way, so they can be like a connector for a bracelet or for an earring. Hang that way, dangle that way, and you get 4 of them, or a dangle. And the good thing with bargain bead boxes, you can go on Facebook as well, and you can, everyone posts up what they've made with their month's box, so you can get ideas there. And also on YouTube, they've also got a YouTube page as well. Oh, these are cute. Oh wow, look how many. Ah, it's all really good quality. Cute little charms too, little flower charms, holy leaf charms, and you get 10 of them. They'll make cute little earrings. You can make 5 sets of earrings. Yeah, see, I'm smart. I know my maths. Here we go. And this one is pine tree oval pendant. That's cute. Little Christmas tree. That would be nice on a Christmas journal. It's 22mm steel wreath. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, these are nice. These you get 10 grams of corrugated round spacer beads. Oh, I do like that corrugated finish on them. I'll just tip a few out. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, corrugated. There's heaps, honestly. Oh, 10mm lampwork beads, round in evergreen. Oh, lampwork. Oh wow. Okay. I'll make lovely earrings. Oh god. Oh no. There's like heaps of stuff, honestly. Crystal faceted rondelles in crystal. Oh, AB. It's got, it says matte, they look matte. Faceted rondelle crystal. Wow, it's like a frosted, yeah. Doesn't say frosted, but they look frosted or matte. Yeah, but you can see that lovely AB finish. Real cute. Yeah, some more crystals. Oh, crystal faceted triangle beads in light. Oh, betrayal, I think it says. Oh, look at that shine. How pretty are they? Wow. Then we've got, oh wow, there's 20 pieces of cone bead caps, mini cone bead caps. Oh. Yeah, so you put your little beads through there, can have them hanging this way, like that, with a little bead under it. See that? How cute is that? Oh, very cute. Especially with journals with like if you want like forest little charms, like a forest journal you're making, or a fairy journal. What's a chain? Oh, I like this. This is like a still curled oval, I think it says. Wow. It's got like little, almost looks filigree. Interesting. You get heaps. I mean, and last but not least are your clasps. Wreath toggle clasps, and you get for 2 sets of bracelets. There you go. Or a necklace. There you go. Oh, 3. Oh, you get 3. There you go. Yeah, so every month we get them, so yeah. Look forward to the next one. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.